welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Tara. I'm a mom of 2 boys, a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, and I make Montessori and motherhood videos here on my channel. If you are a parent that has young children, you probably have heard of the company Lovevery. They make stage-based play kits that are perfect for your child's growing and developing brain. The play kits range from 0 to 48 months, and they have truly been a favorite in our house. But did you know that Lovevery makes more than just the play kits? We love Lovevery's play kits, and I actually have a whole playlist on my channel with lots of reviews. So if you are interested in learning more about their play kits, click over to that playlist so you can watch some of those reviews. But in today's video, I want to go over some of the hidden gems that you may not know that Lovevery has. We are jumping right into the video, and for the first one, this may be something that you've heard about, but in case you haven't, Lovevery has started selling some of their products at Target. I think it is so great that Lovevery has put some of their most loved items available to buy at Target and Target online. If you've been thinking about giving Lovevery a try, testing out some of their products from Target could be a great idea. They have toys ranging from 0 to 12 months, and some of these items are actually items that they provide in their play kits. Definitely check out your local Target or check out what they have available on Target online, because at my local Target, they actually had quite a few of the items that I'm seeing sold out online in stores. The next thing that Lovevery has that you might not know about are book bundles. I am in love with the Lovevery books. All of their books contain real images and experiences, and they're very Montessori aligned. I know that when I'm reading one of the Lovevery stories, that it's something that's going to help support my child through some of the big moments in their early years. I love that Lovevery has created books for things like going to the doctor or the dentist, or potty learning, or even your first play date. My 2-year-old really looks forward to getting his Lovevery book, so I think it's great that they've allowed you to add on additional books to your subscription kit. One thing to remember here is that in order to get the book bundles, you do have to have the play kit subscription, and it's something that you can add on to your play kit. I hope Lovevery does make an option where we can just purchase these books individually, because there are some books that I'm looking through from past subscription boxes where I'm like, I really wish we had that as part of our collection. So Lovevery, please consider letting us just purchase the books outright. But I do love that we can add the additional books to our subscription kits, and I do plan to do that on my future boxes. Speaking of books, did you know that Lovevery also has a Spanish book set? You can get some of Lovevery's most popular books available in Spanish. If you have Spanish speakers in your house, or just looking to introduce your children to another language, purchasing these book sets could be a great option. The next thing is something that I did not know about, and it's that Lovevery offers courses. They have 2 courses that they're offering right now. The first one is a baby's best tummy time course, which gives you techniques and tips to make tummy time easier and more fun. And then they also have a food before one course, which is a modified baby-led weaning approach for safe and intentional mealtime. Something that you may not know is that my second son hated tummy time, like screamed the whole time, and I really didn't know what to do because my first son loved tummy time. In fact, I remember being like, this is so easy, he loves being on his stomach. But my second son did not, and my second son did end up having to be in a helmet for about 3 months. And I don't know if this is directly related or not, but he really didn't enjoy doing tummy time, and I didn't enjoy doing it with him. And sometimes I wonder if I had a little bit more help and support in that area, if he could have avoided a helmet. And I probably would have tried out this course back then if I had known that it was available. A lot of people are familiar with the Lovevery Play Gym. It has become pretty iconic these days, but do you know all the things that the Play Gym comes with? Not only does it have the detachable objects that you can hang and the card sets and mirror, they also have a play space cover, which can transform the play set into more of like a tent that your child can play with long after they have outgrown having a play gym. I'm a big fan of products that are multiple use and that can last longer than just like one stage of development. So I love that Lovevery kind of thought this through and included that cover with the play gym so that you can actually continue to use this as your child grows. The next item that Lovevery has is something that we also own, and that is their block set. We love the Lovevery block set. I think it is the perfect block set. It's very well thought out and has so many different ways to play and for kids to use their imagination. My kids play with this block set all the time. Blocks are just one of those classic items that you really never outgrow. So it's something that my kids have played with since they were babies and something that my 4.5-year-old is still playing with today. If you aren't familiar with the Lovevery block set, definitely check that out because I think it is a perfect block set for kids of all ages. The next item is one that we just recently got and I did not know they had until very recently, and it's actually in this box behind me, so let's open it up. This is the Lovevery Organic Nap Mat, and I am so excited to see that they have one of these because if you have a child that is in daycare or in a preschool that does nap time, chances are they're going to require you to bring in a blanket and a pillow or some sort of nap mat just like this. I love that this nap mat is made with 100% organic cotton, and it includes the padded mat, blanket, pillow, and then custom buckles that are made just for little hands so that your kids can roll up their mat on their own and buckle it together to be stored away for the next day. Lovevery also has their own Montessori play shelf, but something unique about their play shelf is that they have a hidden storage compartment built in within the shelf. If you are familiar with Montessori, you are probably familiar with the fact that Montessori shelves tend to rotate out items and materials. So when those items are not out on the shelf, they need somewhere to be stored. I love that Lovevery put some thought into this and created a storage space right there with the shelf. Not everybody has another closet to kind of house the materials, so this would be such a great option for a small space or a home that does not have a lot of storage. Lovevery also has a whole home collection, perfect for your little ones. They have things like swaddles and crib sheets and baby blankets, so all in adorable patterns that I really love. And I love that all of the nursery items are made with 100% organic cotton. I think I might have saved the best for last because the next two things are completely free, and that is that Lovevery has their own blog and podcast. I went onto their blog and I've been reading through some of the posts, and there are so many great ideas and DIYs on there. They have everything from Valentine's Day crafts to toddler advice. Their blog really had a lot of great information on it. Then I saw that they also have a podcast, and I listened to an episode of it and I thought it was some great information. So if you're looking for a new podcast to listen to, definitely go ahead and check that out. And if you're looking for some new ideas or DIYs to do with your little one, check out their blog. That is all I have for today's video. Let me know in the comments below which of these things you didn't know about, because I'm really curious to see if I was the only one that didn't know that Lovevery had all of this to offer. As always, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out my video, and don't forget to make sure your bell notifications are turned on. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel because I make new videos just like this every week. I will see you in my next video. Bye.